Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on TrueFi. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently TrueFi has broken out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And after that, we had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by this very strong and long-term resistance of 14.7 cents. And this was my last video, by the way. And now you can see that after this rejection by this resistance, we have broken down a very long-term uptrend line support. Let me to show you on the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that this support was coming from the month of August 2023. We had stable touch points here, then we had a nice bounce, and then we had another bounce here, and now after the breakdown, here, for a while it was flipped into a resistance, and after the breakout, it was again flipped into a support, and now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that previously when we broke it down here, then you can see that we almost got rejected by this uptrend and resistance, and this time we got several more rejections after the breakdown. Therefore, now we will also need to break out this uptrend line resistance as well in order to continue this move to the upside. And first, we will need to break out this downtrend line resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for sushi swap, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 6th of January 2024 with my members. And here, by the way, you can watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of TrueFi. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks a month, it had been moving inside this wedge since after the month of May 2024 up till the month of November 2024. And after getting squeezed inside this volume wedge pattern, finally we broke it out. We had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 14.7 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance. Recently, it was working at the resistance here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this 14.7 cents has been working at a very strong resistance here for several weeks. When we broke out this long-term down channel, the pricing got rejected several times rejected by this resistance of 14.7 cents. And by the way, before that, for a few weeks, it had been working as a support here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside that is begun here after the breakout from this wedge, we will still need to break out this resistance, the key resistance of 14.7 cents. Right now, the Python is also struggling to break out this downtrend line resistance as well. First, we will need to break out this resistance. Then we will have this uptrend line resistance that was previously acting as a support, and now it can act as a strong resistance. And then we will need to break out this 11.5 cents resistance. And after that, the price can reach its resistance of 14.5 cents once again. By the way, this 11.5 cents has been recently breaking at the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and support here, and support here. And therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of TrueFi. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 23.5 cents. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and here, as you can see, we have already broken out this big and long-term down channel as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $1.05. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.